Mae rhoddion mewn ewyllysau yn ffordd bwerus o alluogi ein ffydd I fyw ymlaen, ac I greu newid parhaol. Gifts in wills enable churches to flourish in our local communities and tackle injustice across the world through Christian aid. That's why we're inviting you to take part in Ewyllys Da, Faith Will. Join with churches and Quaker meetings across the UK who are coming together with Christian Aid to make it easier to talk about gifts in wills. Simply download or order your free Faith Will resources, including leaflets, posters, a short film, and worship resources to inspire your congregation to consider making a gift in their will to their church and Christian Aid. Dychmygwch y gwahaniaeth allwn ni ei wneud gan ddod at ein gilydd I ddweud, mae eich ffydd yn bwerus, felly hefyd eich ewyllys. Your faith is powerful, and so is your will.